I've been doing a build log on my homemade budget CNC. It's gone under various revisions, loads of product testing, loads of research and development. As you can see, massive printed parts there, masses of printed parts here. Yeah, I've done loads of research, I've done loads of developments, trying all sorts of different types of axes. And so far I'm at this stage, there's not much to show yet, but I've learnt an awful lot on building this. Different carriage systems, different types of rollers, different belt tensioning systems, different frame structures. The old frame's gone under several revisions. It's had bits chopped off, added on, changed. It's completely changed from what I originally started off as, because the router was a lot bigger than I expected. I was attempting to get a normal spindle, but the price of a normal spindle compared to a router I've just chopped up to fit in my shed, there's a big difference, like hundreds of pounds difference. So rather than that, I decided to chop that up and remove this structural bar here, but it is still very sturdy. There's no bolts on at the minute, so it can fully slide. Not much movement at all. There's been a lot of work gone into that, believe it or not, an awful lot of work figuring out the best ways. All this is just temporary, obviously. I'm going to cut this off. This board don't need to be here, just need to put a longer lead screw in, get rid of the spring. I've only done that because of this board's putting unwanted pressure on one side and it helps bring it back up. But yeah, I've got a full parts list, full product list, full designs on computer, paperwork. I've done the old shebang, and then we'll post up a follow-up video of the completed thing, and then I'll do a full build log with specifications, instructions, building instructions, downloadable PDFs, parts lists, etc. Pricing. So far, the extrusion, the motors, that's all I've paid for. Oh, and it's running off gerbil. The power pack come from my old, from a 3D printer when I upgraded that. So at the moment it's literally cost me 70 quid. 70 GBP, and it is fully running. It's just a few stability issues that I was sorting out yesterday that I still need to test. As you can see here, it dropped, which is why I put this ring on. But 70 quid, 2 foot by 2 foot cutting area, fully functional CNC router.